Hey everybody, welcome back to FX Action Trader YouTube channel. My name is Chuan, and as usual in this video, I'm going to share with you my thoughts and my analysis for the upcoming market. Alright, so let us start for the first pair of this week, Euro Dollar. So Euro Dollar on H4 chart, we can clearly see that market has actually formed a zone of resistance around this level 1.2145. So in this, we are going to look for a sell trade instead of a buy trade. So now the second question is, where is the best timing for us to enter for a short trade? So we could wait market to break down of this low, whereby market is going to create a new low. So when this new low is created, the sell trend is now confirmed and we can enter for a short trade, and our take profit area, it will be going to be the previous low around 1.195. And on the pound dollar last week, we did mention about this strong resistance zone. And we can see that this strong resistance zone has been broken up and market has now pulled back and continued to move in the trend of the previous trend, which is the very strong uptrend. So this week, we are still going to trade along with the market trend and we are looking for signals to buy. All right, so as long as market did not break below this level, we can look for a buy trade. Or when market continue to break above and create a new high, we can look for a buy trade when market do a pullback. So for the gold pair, we can see that market has actually break down of the previous support level around 1834, and this is actually a head and shoulder pattern. All right, so this week we are still going to wait for market to pull back to this zone and continue to short this pair, and the take profit area is going to be on the previous low around 1790. So on the pound yen on H4 chart, we can clearly see that market is actually creating higher highs and highest low for a very long period of time. So this means that market is in a very strong uptrend for a long duration, and we should only trade on a buy trade. Never ever try to trade against the market. All right, so on this week, we can see that market has now broken the previous resistance zone and a new high is created. So we can just wait patiently for market to do the pullback, and as long as this level is not broken, we still going to look for a buy trade. For the Aussie yen, is around the same with what we have seen on pound yen, where market has actually broken the resistance level, and this level has now turned into a very strong support level. So as long as this level is not broken, we are still going to look for a buy trade. For the Euro Aussie on daily chart, we can see that market has been in a downtrend for a very long period of time. So market tries to form a double bottom here and try to break up, but this momentum is still very weak compared to the seller momentum, and market still decide to continue in a downtrend. So on H4, what we can see is that market is now retesting this support zone. All right, market is now retesting this support zone. So if this zone we see a red color candle close below, we can wait for a pullback and continue to short this pair until we see a very clear price reversal pattern. So the last pair for this week is going to be this dollar Canadian pair. So on daily chart, we can see that market has been in a very strong downtrend, and market tried to break out of this previous downtrend, but market could not break up of this previous lower high structure. So on H4, we are still going to look for a short trade. And we can see on H4, market has actually broken the previous support, and this support has now become a very strong resistance level. So in this week, we are still going to look for a short trade either at this resistance level or when market breakdown of this previous low, we are going to sell upon a pullback. Alright, so that's all for my analysis in this week, and please join my Telegram group for more updates and discussion. Alright, see you guys in next video.